वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल पिंक स्काई। सो आज हम लेकर आए हैं एक challenge. I guess actually this is kind of a challenge. So today we're gonna try, drum roll please. That was not a drum roll. That was so not a drum roll. That was so lame. Anyway, so today we're gonna try 30. No, yeah. Hold on, let me count.
काफी सारे लेकर आए हैं हम लोग, सो काउंटिंग में थोड़ा सा
29 types of different instant noodles, and this is going to be very very exciting.
Yeah.
So I'm going to show you हमारे पास कौन कौन से noodles हैं. So let's start with this. So first we have Patanjali atta noodles, चटपटा. Then we have Knorr soupy noodles.
I have tasted this one and this soupy noodles are really nice.
I love them. And then we have Yippee saucy masala.
खाया नहीं है कभी नहीं. This one is completely something new.
Yeah, there are many. मैंने जो कभी try नहीं किया है, but I'm really excited to try it. Next we have Magic Masala by Yippee. Then we have Yippee Mood Masala. Then we got Coca mee goreng fried noodles. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right or wrong, but let it go. Then we have Coca mushroom flavor noodles. This is very interesting.
Yeah. Something different. Totally different.
Then we have Coca stir fry original. And this is, I really don't know how to pronounce this. This is satay chicken flavor. अगर तुमको गलत pronunciation है तो मुझे please comment section में बता देना.
और ट्रोल मत करना कोई.
Then we have our favorite. No, this is not my favorite actually. This is Maggi 2-minute noodles without onion and garlic. You know, like a Jain type of.
जो लोग जैन और स्वामीनारायण है फटाफट वीडियो लाइक करो.
Okay guys, so this is Maggi masala veg atta noodles. I've never really tried the atta noodles because I'm really not that health conscious. Okay, this is Maggi masala oats noodles.
I'm not really fan of oats, so I don't think I'm going to try that. But still, it's Maggi, so we'll give it a try. We'll definitely give it a try.
This is Maggi Fusion Hong Kong. Okay. Then we have, this is what? Maggi Special Masala Noodles. I don't know if it's any different.
Yeah, it's different. It has all these
This
Indian
is
masalas.
our all-time favorite Maggi Masala Noodles.
ये हर किसी के घर में नॉर्मली पड़ी ही होती है.
आप कहीं भी जाओ ना घर में, किसी के भी घर में जाओ, कोई ना कोई डब्बे में ये एक पैकेट तो मिल जाएगा.
Definitely होता है.
Then we have Top Ramen Curry Saucy Flat Noodles.
Top ramen के normal style try किए हुए हैं, but this one is something different.
Yeah. Okay.
They have flat noodles.
Then we have Ching's Manchurian Noodles. I love Manchurian, guys. I love it.
Ching's. I love Desi Chinese.
Okay, so this is Ching's Szechuan Noodles. They are at hot garlic noodles. I really like this one. Then we have Ching's egg hakka noodles. Quite interesting.
Quite interesting. Then we have
Leong's veg hakka noodles. And then हमारे पास एक और egg hakka noodles है, but this is a different company. This is Leong's.
तो उनके कंपैरिजन भी हो जाएगा किसका ज्यादा अच्छा है.
Yeah. Then here we have, what is this?
This is YY.
This is YY's chicken flavored noodles, and this is YY's veg masala noodles. Okay, now the interesting part, guys. I love cup noodles.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat all of them, not you.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat that. She's not gonna eat it.
ये गेम
Anyways.
हर बार का है, so that's the.
I'm gonna eat it. I bought it for my video. Guys, subscribe to my channel Pink Sky, and also forgot her channel also Frequent Taste. प्रमोशन किया है, 100 रुपये लगेंगे. Anyways, cup noodles Italiano flavor. Then we have cup noodles spiced chicken flavor. I love chicken. Then we have Tata instant hot and spicy Szechuan noodles. I really forgot the name, you know. It
You can
happens.
read it, right?
I was thinking यार कि टाटा के आगे कुछ तो लिखा होगा, एक क्विक क्यूजिंग मेरे ध्यान में ही नहीं गया. Then we have Yippee Quick Meals Chicken Delight, and this is something very interesting. I never knew that Yippee भी as instant cup bowls बनाते हैं, cup bowl. But I'm really excited about this one.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
This is like an international thing, and ये जल्दी से मिलता नहीं है यहाँ पे. ये हमने Big Basket से ऑर्डर किया था, and it was a national shipping. And this is Shin cup noodles, and the cup is like very nice.
कप को देख के चाइना याद आता है. So, पिंक स्काई.
Yes.
अब बताएंगी प्लीज हमारे व्यूअर्स को कि हमारा ये सारा कितने बजट में आया.
गाइस, ये बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग बात है. ये जितना भी आपको सामने दिख रहा है वो सब आया है इन 1000 रुपीज. ये सब कुछ मैंने बिग बास्केट से ऑर्डर किया है. हाँ, एक और बात बता दूं, ये कोई स्पॉन्सर्ड वीडियो नहीं है.
it's not
हमें कोई
sponsored.
पैसे नहीं मिले हैं.
हमसे ले लिए गए हैं वैसे.
1000 रुपीज में ही हमें सब कुछ मिला है.
हाँ.
So
So, अगर आपको भी ऐसा सब नूडल्स ट्राई करना है तो प्लीज जो है बिग बास्केट डाउनलोड करिए और बिग बास्केट से करिए. ये प्रमोशन नहीं है, कोई पेड प्रमोशन, बट आपको ये सब बिग बास्केट में मिल जाएगा इजीली.
या सो आप इसको हम कुक करने वाले हैं. इट्स नॉट गोना बी दैट फन.
Yeah, the cooking part is fun for her, not for me, and the eating part is fun for
it's
me.
a lot, and I
So,
actually feel like I want to sleep right now. कोई बना के दे दे बस मुझे. अब मुझे सही में बनाना नहीं है, but I have to.
so let's. तो जब तक ये बनाती है तब तक आप और हम चल के थोड़ा सा आराम करते हैं. See you there.
बहुत ही ज्यादा मेहनत के बाद फाइनली बना लिया है. And I'm hella tired. Like
बहुत ज्यादा थक गए हैं और अब बहुत भूख लगी है. सो ये सब इतना सारा सामने पड़ा है तो अच्छा लग रहा है सब कुछ.
यार शाम से कुछ नहीं खाया यार. अब कंट्रोल नहीं हो रहा है सीरियसली. अब मुझे पता चल रहा है यार मॉम्स को कैसा. एक्चुअली मेरी मॉम को ऐसा फील नहीं होता होगा, वो इतना काम नहीं करती. जस्ट किडिंग, शी डज. आई लव यू मॉम. देख रहे होगे आप वीडियो. अगर आप बाहर से सुन रहे हो तो प्लीज डोंट किल मी राइट नाउ.
एंड प्लीज गिव अस फूड.
या आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड टू ट्राई दिस. सो होल्ड, मुझे बहुत गर्मी हो रही है ये सब देख के. सो आई एम जस्ट गोना टाइप माय हेयर राइट नाउ. ओके गाइस, सो अब हम लोग फर्स्ट ट्राई करें. अपने अपने फोक ले लीजिए.
हम जो फोक यूज कर रहे हैं वो जो ये कप नूडल्स के साथ फोल्डेबल फोक्स आए हैं.
I like
सो आई
this.
डोंट रियली लाइक इट बिकॉज हम जब इसे खाते हैं ना तो ये टूट जाता है. मेरे से बहुत लोग एग्री करेंगे ये चीज. तो ये मुझे कुछ खास पसंद नहीं
Because
है.
you don't know how to eat.
Yeah, I don't think that's true.
Yeah, it is. Anyways, so first हम try करने वाले हैं नॉर सूपी नूडल्स, जो इतने भी सूपी लग नहीं रहे हैं फिलहाल. You can see.
क्योंकि हम काफी देर से बना रहे थे तो एक के बाद एक सब बनाने में कुछ एक जो है ठंडे भी हो गए होंगे.
Yeah.
So
What can we do?
हमें बहुत देर लगी है ये बनाने में. आप लोगों को तो 10 मिनट में देखना ही है. See, she's so bossy.
Okay, let's try.
Honestly, ये ठंडे हो गए. But it's nice.
Actually भूख इतनी लगी है ना कि अच्छे ही लग रहे हैं बहुत ही.
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, बट
I really like. I really like.
और ये अच्छे ही होते हैं. इसका टेस्ट हमेशा अच्छा ही होता है. तो खाए हुए हैं एक्चुअली. It does taste good. Yeah. Give me that bowl.
We have to try the rest of these.
Fine.
Okay, so as you're my guest on my channel, I want to select a plate first.
I think we'll go with the one we have in front of us.
Lazy this. I can't use curse words, I forgot. Okay, so this one we're gonna try, and it
This one is hot garlic.
Ching's hot garlic.
Ching's Desi Chinese.
Woo!
What's the theme song of Ching's?
Ching's Chinese. I really don't know.
I love Desi Chinese. Ching's Chinese.
I
Desi
don't know.
Chinese. I know that. Give me that. See, मोस्टली हमारे सारे जो है ठंडे हो गए हैं बिकॉज हमें बनाने में सब बहुत देर लग गई.
Yeah, but it does taste nice. I honestly मुझे पहले hot garlic कभी इतने पसंद नहीं थे, but
इसका टेस्ट अच्छा है.
it is good. Actually ठंडा हो गया तो शायद ज़्यादा अच्छा टेस्ट आ रहा है. I really don't know. But it does taste
मुझे का स्वीट टूथ तो इसे स्पाइसी इतना ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं आता.
But I do like spicy and hot garlic का मुझे taste थोड़ा weird सा लगता था पहले, but right now it's good.
It's nice.
Okay, so next one we're gonna try.
That is Szechuan noodles.
Of Ching's.
अब आप पहले हमारे रैपर्स में प्लीज कमेंट मत करिएगा इतने सारे रैपर्स क्योंकि हमें याद नहीं रहता कौन सी मैगी कौन सी है, इसलिए हमने सब मैगी के नीचे रैपर रखे उसके. And it's really
We had to. Okay, come on.
वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग में हमने दिखाए थे कुछ एक हाका नूडल्स.
Yeah, that's a very funny story.
हाँ.
ओके गाइस, तो ऑर्डर करते टाइम मैं और मेरे डैड ऑर्डर कर रहे थे एंड ही थॉट दैट उसमें अलग से मसाला पैकेट एंड वाला आएगा एंड आई वाज लाइक कंफ्यूज. आई डिडंट नो व्हाट टू से, सो वी ऑर्डर्ड इट इवेंचुअली एंड देन जब हम कुकिंग करने के लिए नीचे गए तब मुझे पता चला उसमें कुछ नहीं है, हमें अलग से एक्स्ट्रा हमारा सब डालना पड़ेगा. सो वी डिडंट कुक इट. सो या ये 30 तो नहीं है, अब जितने हैं हम काउंटर के बाद में बता देंगे आपको. आपको टाइटल में नाम दिख जाएगा जो भी है जितने हमने खाए हैं.
जो खाए उतना ही नंबर मिलेगा.
Which one try? This one?
This one?
Okay. Yeah, this one. Yeah. This is Maggi
स्पेशल मसाला. ये एक्चुअली बेसिकली जो है ना इसका फ्लेवर इंडियन मसालों से है ज़्यादा. So I guess it's going to be a relatable
Maggi is
flavor.
Indian.
Who told you that?
Maggi is Indian, guys. Come on, let her know. Is Maggi Indian or not?
मैगी में फ्लेवर्स सारे इंडियन नहीं आते थे पहले. You know that?
मैंने गिरा दिया. मैं खा सकती हूँ नीचे ओके. I love it.
इसमें वो जो किचन के मसालों वाला फ्लेवर होता है ना वैसे उस टाइप का फ्लेवर है.
But it's जितना मैं सोच रही थी जितना फ्लेवरफुल ये होगा उतना नहीं है. It's just like plain Maggi actually. It's not really that special or anything.
मे भी थोड़ी ठंडी हो गई है शायद इसलिए भी.
Yeah, but it's really not something special. Okay, so next we're gonna try. I'm really not sure
छोटा
about
भीम
this.
मैगी.
It's not Chota Bheem. It is not Chota Bheem. It's Patanjali.
Oh come on, this cartoon is छोटा भीम. Isn't just छोटा भीम.
Guys, please like this video if you don't like Chota Bheem. Like I
Yeah.
do.
Please.
Okay,
like
this
the
is
video.
Patanjali.
Even I don't like
Atta
छोटा भीम.
noodles. Okay. Oops.
I think she's going to have to kill. Clean this. Clean this. Cut this, please.
ये एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था मैंने पतंजलि से, बट इट इज़ क्वाइट गुड. इट्स क्वाइट फ्लेवरफुल. इसमें थोड़ी वेजीज भी है, जब मैं दिख रही नहीं होगी बट हमें दिख रही है.
हमें दिख रही है कि हम खा रहे हैं.
या सो इट्स वेरी वेरी नाइस. आई लाइक इट. अगर मुझे भी कभी भूख लगती है, आई नीड स्नैक, आई डेफिनेटली गोना ईट दिस एंड इट्स इवन हेल्दी. इट्स आटा नूडल्स, सो इट इज़ हेल्दी.
I don't really like it because it's nice in taste, but I like original Maggi more.
Of course, everyone does. Okay, this is Ching's Manchurian noodles. Now we're gonna try this. Yeah. I have to really dig in before eating because ये गिर रहा है, इसलिए क्या कर सकते हैं. I am a messy eater. मैं गिराती हूँ मेरे फेस पे, जमीन पे, हर जगह. I love this one. I used to eat this a lot. I don't know why I stopped doing that.
But it is amazing. It's truly amazing.
I love it.
Okay, I think we should change the side of the plate so we can reach easily. Pick that up.
Okay, boys. Sorry. Okay, guys, I really don't want to try the plate one now. I'm really excited about this. I really want to try the cup noodles.
This one,
Yeah, first
Shin.
this is Shin cup noodles. First, I have to mix it up. Then I will show you how it looks. तो इसमें अलग से मसाला डाला था ना, तो फिर मिक्स करना पड़ेगा इसे.
Yeah. Oh man.
I am messy, okay? And I like it. Okay, finally, this is what it looks like. It's quite hot right now because last में ही बनाया था. So let's try.
कप
it.
नूडल्स को बनने में भी टाइम लगता है और थोड़ा सा वैसे बाकी सबसे जल्दी भी बनते हैं. So basically. So see, it's fun to watch her eat. It doesn't really smell that good.
Try it. I'm not gonna give you my expression taste.
Yeah, I don't think
Take the piece, you know?
you took that.
No.
First of all,
It's just mushroom, guys. It's just mushroom. Just take it. खा के देखो ना.
I eat everything. It's not about that. So I'm an omnivore.
Okay. Try it. Well, after eating it for a while, I can, sense it was spicy. I can, my lips are burning a bit, but it's not that spicy. It's quite nice actually.
It's okay. I
Actually,
didn't
खाने
like
के
it.
बाद उसका धीरे-धीरे taste आ रहा है, and that is very weird.
Yeah, that is really weird.
Because taste, जब I took the bite, it didn't taste like anything, and when I took it inside, and then it was like
Yeah.
burst with flavors. Okay, next.
This was a weird cup noodle.
It was really nice. I liked it.
Not really.
Okay, so this is a cup spiced chicken cup noodles. Mix it first. ये wrapper निकाल दो. ज़्यादा भी गिरेगा सारा.
I'm not a messy eater. You are. Please like the video जो लोग messy eater है इसकी तरह.
Many people are. Come on, guys.
Yeah, I'm not a messy.
We are proud of it.
Really?
Okay, so yes, I am. Okay, so after mixing it, this is what it looks like. It's quite nice. I really enjoy cup noodles. I used to eat a lot. I don't know why. Again, I stopped eating that. So let's try it. Oops, गिरा हुआ है नीचे. Mom will clean it.
She will. Mom will make her.
Okay, try it. Let's try it together.
Yeah, I don't wanna. Oh, it's hot.
She really can't tolerate hot.
No, I can't.
I can eat it.
That's why I love ice cream more.
Well, I thought it would be more flavorful, but it's not. It's quite plain actually. Maybe मैंने mix नहीं किया इसको ठीक से, लेकिन it's
Yeah.
quite mix नहीं किया. ऊपर ही था यार मसाला. अब जितना mix हुआ किया मैंने. मसाला ही खाना अब तो देखो. Let me try it again.
Dude!
Still the same.
No, but it is flavorful. I mean, like, ramen is just चटपटा flavor है इसके अंदर.
हाँ, but बहुत light है.
Nice.
बहुत light flavor.
But it's
है.
nice.
Put it. Now we are gonna try Italian cup noodles.
Why are you saying like that?
Because I'm Italian.
See, look at this, guys.
Oh wow, it is nice. It looks like a pizza, yaar.
It does.
Guys, look there. We got jalapenos, then corn, then what?
What not?
French beans. It's quite good. It looks like it's loaded with veggies.
That's good. Italians love veggies.
Yeah. Okay, guys, I am done mixing Italiano. This is what it looks like. I mean, I'm gonna try it. Where's your fork? Oh. I like it. It's really nice.
Yeah.
I do enjoy its taste. It's quite Italian.
all this.
It has got this Italian vibe. You know what I'm saying?
No, no one knows.
Everyone knows.
But it is tasty. इसका flavor है ना मतलब like pizza जैसा flavor है इसका. I really like that.
It's quite good actually. I really enjoyed eating it.
Yum.
I want to eat more. But later,
Let's move on. Don't drop it.
I didn't drop it. So this one is Yippee Quick Meals Chicken Delight. I already mixed it. And this is what it looks like. Quite plain. Let's try it. Maybe it has a different flavor or something.
Flavor is only a thing. I don't know if ये VP में veggies क्यों नहीं देते.
I don't like it.
I want water.
I really don't like it. It's not that. It's not that good. I mean, it's quite plain and it's got this weird taste which I don't understand. I don't.
इसका
really
ना
taste
after
it.
taste भी बहुत अजीब सा है. So I don't know. I
Yeah,
didn't
I'm
like
gonna
it.
pass this one to my brother.
Apparently she doesn't love it.
Yeah. I don't. He's adopted, guys. He's adopted. By the way, by my brother, I mean Penolite. Shout out to his channel. Subscribe to him. Yeah, he's a jerk. You know what? I'm gonna call him and make him taste this.
Yeah.
Sam. Hi, bro. Sit here.
We have a special guest appearance.
It's Penolite, you guys. Penolite. Clapping.
I don't know why.
Okay, I want you to try this. It's a Yippee Quick Meals Chicken Delight. I want to try this.
I want to see his reaction. So
Yeah.
जिसको इसका reaction सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगे,
अकेले एकदम.
please comment करिएगा.
Come on, try it. Don't laugh.
Oh come on, he did.
He's such a shy guy. I don't know how he does this. He likes it. You can have it, bro. It's your gift. You can take it.
हम आपको इनाम में एक fork भी देंगे.
Yeah, this is
Yippee
your
noodles fork.
It was Penolite, you guys. Thank you for coming.
It's-
We really didn't need you. Anyways, that was it. Now we're gonna try this plate. Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. This is Maggi masala oats noodles. Let's try it. Grab a fork.
I'm not
I have
really
to
fan
dig in.
of oats. मुझे oats पसंद ही नहीं है, पता नहीं क्यों. Like
I like
मैंने
it,
सुना है
okay.
लोगों को कि flavors अच्छे आते हैं उसके, but I don't like it. I don't know why.
But I think that's okay. Okay, that's a nice spoonful I got. Take it. I know. My Maggi beer, guys. I like it. It's quite good.
It's nice. I don't like
It's
oats,
got
but
this extra flavor, and guys, you can see there are corns and
Other
more
veggies
veggies. I really can't tell. It's carrot. I
With
guess.
carrot.
Yeah, it's nice. It's quite good.
It's tasty. It is tasty.
It's got this like nice flavor, and I really don't taste the oats.
Yeah.
They taste like normal Maggi you make.
Vegetable Maggi.
Yeah, there are special tadka.
Tadka.
Anyways, moving on. Now we're gonna try it. It's Maggi masala veg atta noodles. Okay. It's also got all these veggies, corn, and we got carrots,
Peas.
and- oh yeah, peas. I forgot that.
मटर के दाने और गाजर वगैरह सब कुछ इसके अंदर है, and it's really interesting. Because मुझे मेरी मैगी प्लेन से ज़्यादा वेजिटेबल पसंद है.
But this one is nice. I'm gonna buy it for sure.
It's nice.
ठीक है. I mean,
It's actually like a normal Maggi.
yeah.
ज़्यादा
It's
इतना
got
कुछ
this
flavor
different
नहीं है.
tadka. Look, I said it right. But I like the oats one more. It's got more flavors.
I think both are similar.
Okay, the next one we're gonna try is Maggi Fusion Hong Kong spicy garlic noodles. Ooh. It smelled quite good when I was cooking it, so I'm pretty excited.
खुशबू आपको तो आ नहीं सकती इसमें, सॉरी तो ऐसा
ऐसा कुछ-
सिस्टम अभी तक
yeah.
बना नहीं है.
YouTube.
प्लीज डू दैट.
Okay. Cheers.
ऑनेस्टली बोलूं तो हमारी मैगी की हालत इस समय बहुत खराब है, बहुत ठंडी हो चुकी है ये.
But what can we do,
हमारे
guys?
पास टाइम बहुत सारा लग
But
गया
it's not like it doesn't taste good. It does taste good. And actually, we're very hungry, so we don't care. I'm gonna reheat it again before eating. It's quite good.
But it is yummy. It's spicy. It's flavorful.
It's got very different flavor from
Yeah.
what we usually have in Maggi, and it's
pretty amazing. It's amazing. It's delicious.
I actually
Can I have that bowl?
No, we can't. Actually, I tried to find more fusion Maggies, but I only found this one on Big Basket. Big Basket, what are you doing? So, maybe I'll do a second part of this video, or maybe not. I'm not sure. I'm very lazy. Anyways, moving on. I'm gonna try this. What is this? Okay, it's Top Ramen Curry Saucy Flat Noodles. It's so not saucy
Ignore
right
me.
now. It's so not saucy right now.
सारा सॉस मैगी के अंदर चला गया है.
Look at it's got a bowl shape, guys. Look at this. I don't know if you guys can see it. Look, hold on, I'm gonna grab it out for you guys.
इतनी ठंडी हो चुकी है हमारी मैगी अब तक.
I like it. It looks like funnel cake. Many of you don't know what funnel cake is. I never tried it, but I've seen it. So yeah, I know what funnel cake is. It looks like that. So let's try it. I'm really not a fan of Top Ramen, but let's see. Okay.
Damn it. Ignore me. It's her channel. I don't care how I look.
Okay. Well,
It's okay.
yeah, it's got this, spice. I can feel it in my throat. It's nice, and I can, taste the oil more than the flavor.
It's oily.
It's quite oily. It tastes oily, but
It's not oily like that, but it tastes oily.
It's good. I
It's
like
okay.
It. Yeah,
For me, it's okay.
it's good. I mean,
I'll give
I
it
can have
a
it.
5.
Yeah, I'm very not rating
Yeah,
it.
I'll
I'm
give
not
it a
rating
five.
it before.
Yeah.
You can't start rating suddenly. Okay.
I'm giving this one a 5 for sure.
She's gone mad. Okay, so this one we have is Coca's mushroom flavor noodles. It
It's
looks
original mushroom flavor.
original.
ऐसा उन्होंने कहा है पैकेट पे, but we don't know. He wants.
I'm Elijah. You heard of me?
You will.
It's not gonna fall, guys.
It will fall. But जिसको नहीं पता कि अभी अभी क्या बोला है नायशा ने, so please watch The Vampire Diaries and the originals. Please watch it. It's so awesome.
It doesn't smell that good. It smells salty.
I don't want to eat that, but I think she'll make me.
Oh God, मैंने कितना अच्छा स्पून बनाया था यार. Oh, fine.
I don't want to eat this.
You have to.
See, I told you she'll make me.
It is salty, quite, but I like it. It's quite nice actually. You don't like it?
No, I don't. I mean, I like mushrooms, but I don't like this Maggie.
I need water.
मैंने इसकी lobster और prawn Maggie खाई है, and it's really delicious. It's not.
It's the same. It actually tastes the same.
I don't think
I'm
so.
pretty sure she forgot what it tasted like.
Yeah,
But
we ate it a long time ago, no?
Like some-
But I don't like it. Sorry.
I like it.
And
It was okay.
change.
Okay, guys. So now the last one is remaining. That's the best one. It's Tata's Szechuan noodles. Oh,
It looks so amazing.
like totally filled. I have very high expectations with this. Sad
I lost
okay.
my fork.
We can use one fork. It's fine. Or maybe we have another. Okay, this is what it looks like. it looks.
It looks amazing. It does.
And it
look
smells,
amazing.
oh my god, great.
Yeah.
So
Let's taste it.
let's try it. I have to stir it up, to mix it up.
I was super duper excited about this, but I don't think now I have the energy to be that excited.
But I guess I will be excited after eating. What is this? Ooh, what is this? It's, I guess,
तो ऐसे कि ऐसे जैसे इसको पता ही है क्या है.
it's like baby corn. I guess it's a piece of baby corn.
Let me see.
Yeah, it is that.
Yeah, it is baby corn.
Okay, let's try it. Ooh,
I will take a small bite because
you're not hungry, I know.
yeah, and I don't feel well right now. Yum.
These are so good.
It was perfect.
This one is like,
जिसको चाउमीन बनाने नहीं आती ना घर पे, प्लीज ये पैकेट ले लो और बना के गरम करके खाओ. गरम पानी में
it's
सिर्फ
not
पैकेट
that
डालना है आपको.
expensive. I guess it's 90 or 80 rupees.
Yeah, I guess it's that much only.
Not much.
But it's delicious.
It's too
super
good.
duper delicious.
Oh wow.
I love
This
that.
was very fun. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and share this one. Not like this video. And subscribe to my channel Pink Sky, and also subscribe to her channel
Freaks with Taste.
So thanks for watching. Woo!